The take function is used to return rows or columns of data from an array start to end. Let's look at the arguments here in my example. I'll start here in cell A17. I'll say equal take and tab it in. Here I have three arguments: array, rows, and columns. Only the first two are required, since columns is in brackets. Array is going to be the range of data I want the take function to return data from, so I'll choose from cell A6 to A14. Next is rows. How many rows from that data do I want returned? I'll put in 5. If I want the first 5 from top to bottom, I'm going to put in a positive number. If I want the last 5 from bottom to top, I'll put in a negative number. Since I want the first 5, I'll put in a positive 5. Close it out and push enter. And here it returns the first 5 rows of my range. I could also have Excel return more than one column of information. So here I'm going to make sure that I put my take function, and for the array I'm going to include all of the columns I want returned, so columns A and B here. Next is rows. Let's do all of them, so the first 9 rows from top to bottom. Next is columns. How many columns from my array do I want returned? I'll say the first 2, so I'll put a 2 in there. Close it out and push enter, and here we have the take function.